In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the copyright information in Shopify. Whether you're setting up your store for the first time or giving it a fresh update, personalizing the footer is a great way to polish your online presence and make it more uniquely yours. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through the process of removing the Powered by Shopify text from your store's footer. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your site editor. This is where you'll find all the customization options for your online store. Once you're in the site editor, direct your attention to the top left corner, where you'll see an icon featuring 3 dots. This is your gateway to more technical customization options. Click on that icon and a menu will pop up. From this menu, you'll want to select the option that says Edit Code. This will take you into the code editing area of your Shopify store, where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the code editor, you'll need to head over to the Sections folder in the list on the left-hand side of the screen. The Sections folder houses all the various sections that make up your Shopify site, and this is where we'll find the file we need to modify. Once you're in the Sections folder, look for a file named footer.liquid. This file contains all the code that governs what appears in the footer of your site. Open this file, and you'll see a whole bunch of code that might look a bit daunting at first. But don't worry, we're only making a small change today. The next step is to locate the specific line of code that produces the Powered by Shopify text. This is where the find function becomes your best friend. Use the Command plus F key combination on a Mac or Control plus F on a Windows computer to bring up the search bar. In the search field, type in Powered by Link. This search term will instantly highlight the line or lines of code you're looking for. Once you've found the correct line of code, the next step is to delete it. Simply place your cursor at the start of that line, click, and drag across to highlight the whole line. Then press the Delete or Backspace key on your keyboard. This action removes the line of code that displays the Powered by Shopify text in your footer. And there you have it. With that line of code now removed, the Powered by Shopify text will no longer appear on your store. This small change can make a big difference in how personalized and professional your site looks to your visitors. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.